infrastructure is in place. I mean, for $3 grand a month, what more could you ask for?
Well, I wouldn't do it if the infrastructure wasn't there. I'm not building laundromats. I'm not buying laundromats.
Hi, Miss Corey.
Hey, Corey, my name's Danny. I am looking at some commercial space. Interested in leasing for my business.
What kind of business is that?
See your number on a sign here. I'm in the laundry business. I do coin laundromats. Been doing it 21 years. And I'm actually interested and intrigued in the laundry space. You probably smell what I'm cooking here pretty quick. I'm after either existing laundromats with horrific tenants or spots that actually have the infrastructure in place. This looks like it does. I think you talked to my partner, George, as well. He doesn't have
George.
Yeah, he doesn't have the extensive experience I do, but we're going to be working on this project together. You know, this is a few $100,000 away from opening. Obviously, the gas, water, electric gives us a bit of a leg up, but you know, we've got to get our distributors in and put all the equipment in. A lot of road to hoe between now and then. What's the square footage and what would be your best rate on 15 years term?
Yeah, so based on your guys' distribution or financial model, you need a 15-year lease?
That is correct. Minimum.
Minimum? Okay. I'm familiar with it. I've done a bunch of laundromats throughout my life. I mean, listen, it's $15 a square foot on 1,500 square feet here. Triple nets are 10 and a quarter, 975 fall within that range. So you're looking at $25 a foot on 1,500 square feet here. Infrastructure is in place. I mean, for $3 grand a month, what more could you ask for?
Well, I wouldn't.
Perhaps you've got something to trade after all.
Keep talking.
24 hours of your life. In return, you'll get back what was stolen.
I wouldn't do it if the infrastructure wasn't there. I'm not building laundromats. I'm not buying laundromats. We're close. I could start at 12. I can't do anything about your triple nets. I would write you an LOI. I think we're close enough to get something done. 15 at a starting point. Look, it's a laundry, so I'm front-loaded with a lot of debt service. Yeah. Next door, there's a dollar store, let's say, and they have to jump in and buy stuff from China and hope the tariffs don't kill them and sell it for a buck. I'm not that. I'm not building a product. I'm reselling gas, water, and electric. So the reality for me, 15 isn't bad for, I don't know, a national chain or a nail salon. It can't work for me to start. We can start at $12 with reasonable increases. Any TI, is this landlord throwing money at this at all?
Well, so here's where I think the 15 comes in. Ownership is prepared to completely white box that space. Mm-hmm. So when I talk about white box, I mean cleaning it up.
I know what you mean. Get rid of the infrastructure. Hopefully, put an optometrist.
Well, not the infrastructure, but really, you know, like we could rip up floors, we could redo floors, we could, you know, work with you. You guys give us a vision, and we'll go ahead and help you accomplish that by swinging hammers on the front end.
Yeah.
So that's kind of where he really wants to see that 15 a square foot. Will he do it for 14 or 13.50? He might. I don't have his temperature right now at that, but this space just came online about 6 weeks ago, so you know, still entertaining a lot of prospects and offers.
Okay. I don't want to, it's not a big deal for me to write you a letter of intent because it's going to show you where we are at and what we need as a professional operator. I don't flip or sell.
I think that's a great starting point.
I don't flip or sell my stores. I'm not looking to get out. Let me do that. Give me 24 hours to put it together. What's the best email address for you? Got it the first time. All right, Corey. Again, I'm Danny. I'll CC my partner, George. We'll send it off to you. Give us about a day. Call me back when you see it.
Sounds good.
Thanks. I play the man, not the cards, right? The guy's a dickhead. Oh, wow. 6 weeks in. I'm not going to do anything until I know it's not, he wants to get his 15. He's trying to professional realtor me, right? Oh, well, white box. Yeah. That's not what white box means. He's saying that they'll spend money if they can get 15. Why would you want to give them $15 moving? And that's not a big deal versus 12. But why would you want to give them $15 because they're willing to spend a few dollars with TI? It's stupid. No, we're going to want the TI and the 12. So that's why at some point I just stopped. I'm not going to ask him how many months of abatement we can get, none of that, because it has to do with the guy, right? And he's just very, and the minute that they say, oh, we got lots of offers and we're 6 weeks in, he's saying that they would have offers. They don't have offers. It is LOI time.
He called me back, He called me back.
Of course.
He has, he initially said they would just cut everything off and cap it. So his story is a little different than what it was with the white box. He said it would be easy for them to cut everything out and cap it. So I think that.
But that's why when you watch the video, go through the video. This is all academic right now. I know what I think. Go through the video and put his quotes down in here. It's also time for an LOI. So you've got one store prospect, one call, one LOI. LOI doesn't mean you have a store. It could, it might, but there's a lot of green between, as they say in the game of pool. What I'm going to do is hang up, send you I'm not going to email him. We're going to wait till the LOI is done. You'll send it. You're not going to send it till you send it to me and I can look it over. It's very simple stuff. You're a smart guy. There's a lot of idiots doing this and that ain't you. So I'll send you a copy of my LOI with instruction. We're going to offer 12 and the rest is in there. Don't worry about pulling back because he wants 15 or because they won't spend money. You put 12 months of abatement on 15 years. This guy is a real estate agent, not putting his neck on the line. You are. That's what you need to remember in this. Nobody should get excited.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.